All right, let's make some HEB burgers while I'm at the KOA RV campsite. We're at the KOA RV site at South Padre Island. Just to give you a little bit of an overview of the size of the RV place. We're making some HEB burgers today. We're going to be firing up the barbecue grill. Also wanted to show you the RV site, so plenty of space to bring in a fifth wheel, a small camper. Real nice place to stay and relax. South Padre Island is at the south of Texas, and you'll be able to enjoy these nice little areas where you can wake up hearing the birds. But as we go in our golf cart, you can bring an electric golf cart. You can also bring one that's got gas that will allow you to travel into town. But we're using a small little electric golf cart to move around. And what you're seeing here is you're seeing all the different RVs, different people setting up. And the nice thing is, as you drive around, you get to enjoy the fresh breeze. That on the right are restrooms with hot showers, and they're also private. So those are really nice areas to be able to go and shower and use the restroom in peace. Also, what we're going to be going to is an area where you can bring your boat, and you can bring your pets. You can also bring your kayaks. So all this area is perfect for that. What you'll see here on the right side, there's a little area for your pet to play in, and there's a little bit of shade for you. There's a little dock for your kayak on the right, and as you can see straight ahead, we do have a place where you can bring your boats, and they do have a boat ramp that is available for all KOA members who are staying at the RV site. And here you can just unload, get all your stuff ready, get in the boat, and head out to the bay and start fishing. So definitely enjoy this little area here. It's a real nice place also to come and drink some coffee in the morning and just enjoy the nice scenery and the wind and the birds singing. Real nice place to relax with your family. I do agree that this will be a nice place if you own an RV. But also, if you like to grill and vacation at the same time, this is a real nice spot. So, as I mentioned, we're just going to be making some burgers. HEB grilled burgers are already pre-made. They're about $12-13 for about 12 patties, so real cheap. So we're about to put them on the grill and have something to eat after enjoying this nice little ride. All right, so we're using a Weber grill. These Weber grills are awesome. They're very portable, very light, and they retain heat very well. So that's what I'm using today. Right now I'm going to be using Kingsford Match Light. The reason I'm buying this one is I don't need a lighter fluid, especially when I'm out on vacation. I don't want to be struggling to turn on the fire. I just want something to turn on quick so we can get that grill burning, so we can start getting it cleaned up. So Kingsford Match Light, all you need is a little bit of fire next to it, and they turn on by themselves and they're ready to go. So just using about 1/3 of the bag, and as you can see, I'm gonna turn it on and you'll be able to see that it's so easy to use. I am using this King Ford charcoal, and I am putting it on the side because I want it to burn hotter on one side of it in case I need to put my meat on the other side with indirect heat. So right now I'm just gonna burn up this barbecue grill, clean it with some onion, and just get it ready for these HEB patties. These are HEB patties, very cheap, very easy to make. If you want to make a quick burger for lunch, I recommend these HEB burgers. They're not the best, but a little bit of seasoning, put them on the grill. It's got some salt and pepper in here. Gonna let these season a few minutes while the fire gets going. That's it. The instant fire match charcoal, real good, real fast. While this fire gets ready, you can come to the KOA pool. Real nice pool, 4 feet. You can enjoy yourself early in the morning. You can also relax on these benches if you want to just take it in. Also, there is a jacuzzi. Or you can drive around and enjoy the bay side of the beach. Those are the HEB burgers. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, as I'll be making more barbecue content.